Okay, let's see if that looks better. Because, there you go. So I'm on train right now. Crabby 18 left me. They were too crabby to watch me. Or I lost service again. So, hi everyone. I'm on a train. I'm on my way to MFF. So, I hope I see some of you there. It's gonna be fun. I got my eyes working again. See? My eyes work. Well, let's get the better effect of this.
It looks like you're recharging. Like
You're
if
recharging.
we plugged in Shane, Shane's recharging.
Hi, Ron. I'm on a train.
Leave it off. It shouldn't go behind you.
Huh?
Okay.
It is view. This is what I get to look at until it gets dark out. I have a sleeper car on the way to Chicago, so it's fun. So that bench thing, that becomes a bed, and then that folds down to a bed. I've been requested to boop the snoot, so boop, boop, boop. I booped the snoot.
Would you like me to hold your camera?
No.
Okay.
So, private room, because I had to spoil myself one time. So let me film myself. Three different mirrors. Three different mirrors. See? Here's a door. Places for, I guess a coat can go here, but they've got a closet there for coats. And then our own private bathroom. So, that's fun. So, I will not be a musky husky when I get to MFF. So, and I'll be there, I think the schedule says we're getting it at like 9 o'clock in the morning tomorrow. So we'll be there. I won't probably be in suit until after probably 3 or 4 because I'm doing Fuzzy Logic. It's the Escape the Room thing that's a bunch of cool furs created. And I'll be doing that with Aaron and Dawn and Blade and Dragon and Jonas, who has a baby face. But I don't need to show you his baby face because it's for my eyes only. Sorry guys. But figured I would update on my trip. We're still in Massachusetts, soon to New York, where we get more cars added onto us. And we get a dining car. So that means I get food. And I like food. Food. Because Huskies need the food. Huskies need food. And Valdor is on this train with me, so got to meet up with him. He's up a couple cars up. But he came back here, hung out with us, and we're gonna have dinner with him. So that's gonna be fun. Fun traveling with other furs on the train. Because usually when we go to fur cons, it's just Jonas, I, and Karma in a car. And this is the first fur con I'm going to that is not being given. So I've been up since 4 a.m. Eastern time. It is currently 4:30 Eastern time. So I've been up for 12 hours and I'm still going. Because I got hype. Hype. That's what you need. to get through a fur con. Without hype, you are nothing. Nothing. But having an awesome dinner soon. Gonna kick back, watch some movies, and you know, tweet at me if you want to know stuff. I will, I guess, do some questions and answers. I'll also be being filmed in a question and answer video this weekend, which is also exciting. Am I missing anything, Jonas?
No.
Alright. I think I got everything. So, I will see hopefully some of you tomorrow at MFF. If not, later in the week. Or if not, I hope you guys have awesome weekends. Please don't get too upset about not being at MFF, because you'll get to go someday and you'll make it special for yourself when you go. Yeah. That's my scanner, so I can hear what's going on the train and whatnot. It's cool. And one thing. Checkers! If you've not seen my checkers video by now, you need to go watch it. Otherwise, you don't understand the reference there. So, I'm going to end the stream now. And I require anybody, Jonas, can you fix that? I require anybody who has not seen my checkers video to go watch that right now. And I will see you guys there. Bye.